Most healthy children are born with the ability to eat intuitively, that is, to eat when hungry and stop eating when full. Children who can maintain this ability will benefit greatly from developing a healthy relationship with food. Remember to smash that notification bell and like this video. Eating a healthier diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and maintaining a healthy weight as they grow up. However, as children grow older, they lose touch with these natural cues and begin eating in response to situations, emotions, or learned rules rather than physical cues. In this video, I'll go over intuitive eating principles for kids and how you can help your child eat more intuitively as a parent or guardian. Intuitive eating, i.e., is a way of eating that encourages a healthy relationship with food and the body. Registered dietitians Evelyn Triboulet and Elise Reish developed this evidence-based, non-diet, weight-neutral eating approach. When deciding when, what, and how much to eat, i.e. teaches adults and children to listen to and follow their physical hunger and satiety, fullness, cues rather than emotional or external triggers. Children are usually born with the instinctive ability to eat. When babies are babies, they drink milk when they are hungry and stop when they are full. The same can be said for their first solid foods. Children, on the other hand, are exposed to an increasing amount of external eating influences as they grow older. As a result, as children grow older, they may begin eating out of boredom, because a parent, sibling, or friend is eating. Simply because food is available, or because they have learned rules about when and what to eat. Around the preschool age, children may begin to express hunger for a specific food they consider especially tasty. When externally triggered, such as a sundae when passing by the ice cream parlor or a lollipop when passing by the candy store. Using IE principles with children will help them keep their natural ability to eat when hungry and stop when full. It can also help prevent outside influences from influencing their eating patterns as they age, potentially lowering the likelihood of emotional eating, mindless eating, overeating, or disordered eating. How to implement intuitive eating for kids at mealtimes. There are three main practical things you can do as a parent to encourage your child to eat intuitively. 1. Forfeit control over how much your child eats. Begin by accepting that it is not your responsibility to force your child to eat. Parents and children each have a separate set of responsibilities during mealtimes, according to dietitian Ellen Satter's well-respected principle of division of responsibility in feeding. Following through on each individual's responsibilities can help reduce mealtime stress and frustration. It also encourages your child's natural intuitive eating ability. According to Satter's division of responsibility in feeding, as a parent, you should become responsible for what you feed your child. The majority of their diet should consist of nutrient-rich, minimally processed meals and snacks. When you offer food to your child, food should be served at regular intervals throughout the day. Where does your child eat? It's best if they eat while sitting at the table, away from any external distractions like television or toys. Your child, on the other hand, should be held accountable for whether or not they'll eat. Your child should determine for themselves whether or not they are physically hungry enough to eat at that time. How much they'll consume, they will eat based on internal hunger and satiety signals rather than external cues such as how much food is left over. Your child is the best person to tell you whether they are hungry and how much food they need to eat to satisfy that hunger. Rather than trying to get your child to eat the amount you think they should eat, trusting them to decide how much to eat and when to stop will help promote and strengthen their ability to eat intuitively. 2. Keep mealtimes pleasant. When giving your child a meal or snack, make sure to do so in a calm, distraction-free environment. Most meals should be served while your child is seated, preferably at a table. Remove any toys from the table and turn off the television or tablet to best stimulate intuitive eating. If possible, try to time your meals and snacks so that you eat at the same time as your child. This strategy can assist in modeling the eating habits that you want your child to develop, including i.e. if you frequently find yourself in power struggles with your child during mealtimes, try shifting the focus from food to pleasant conversation instead. For example, inquire about your child's favorite part of their day or the activity they'd like to do after dinner. This can help to reduce the urge to bargain, coerce, or cajole your child into trying a new food or telling them to take a few more bites before they can have dessert. Taking away the pressure a child feels about the food he or she is eating, or refusing to eat, can help that child become more open to trying new foods over time. 3. Enforce your boundaries. While it is important to empower your child to take responsibility for whether and how much they eat, it is also critical for you to be firm about your own responsibilities. You, as the parent, should decide what meals and snacks to provide your child. Your child should be encouraged to make suggestions. However, especially when it comes to young children, you should always have the final say in ensuring that meals and snacks are nutritious and well-balanced. Furthermore, make it clear to your child that once you've decided on a meal or snack, you will not provide an alternate option if they decide not to eat what you've prepared for them. After a meal or snack, try storing the food until the next eating opportunity. This will keep your child from mindlessly grazing on foods all day, which can cause them to lose touch with their hunger and satiety signals. The bottom line: most children are naturally born with the ability to eat intuitively. As a parent, you can help your child maintain their natural ability to eat when they're hungry and stop eating when they're full. A great way to do this is by empowering your child to exercise their own responsibilities when it comes to feeding, while restraining yourself to exclusively exercising your own. Thank you for watching. Follow Fausia Health and Wellness. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share our valuable videos.